Anthony wrote us this email, and feel free, Chuck and Randy, to jump in on this. He said his home has been on the market, and there have been no showings. He's wondering if the problem might be interest rates. When are they coming down? There's no indication of anything happening in the way of interest rates coming down at the current moment. Correct, guys?
Not that I
I
know of.
But
Yeah.
I really think that they'll drop a point this year. This is I do, but
Yeah.
if they don't, and there's a lot of times that a lot of people predicted things that don't happen, but if they do, then we'll just again you date the mortgage, you marry the house, so we'll refinance you, but every year that you decide not to buy is going to cost you 4% because between 4 and 5% appreciation is going to, in my opinion, is going to continue to go up 4 to 5% a year. So my opinion is go ahead and buy. And when rates drop, and Bob, you just did a video on this. If
Yeah.
rates drop, the demand's going to go up, the pent up demand, and it's going to really raise housing even more. There's going to be more
Yeah.
multiple offers. So I just suggest you buy when you're ready.
Yeah, and if you're wondering what does that mean, date the mortgage, marry the house, you find the house you like now, you marry it, you buy it. You're dating the mortgage, you're using the mortgage as a means to get the house. Then when mortgage rates come down, and we believe they will come down, you break up with the existing mortgage that you have and you marry the mortgage
Right.
that is at a lower rate, and you can always get refinanced. By the way, Anthony, just to answer some other questions, you said your house wasn't selling. There's some other things. If you reached out to a real estate agent, for example, I would tell you your pricing of the home may be too high. You may be skipping some repairs. You may be realize you need to negotiate. Staging is so important. I was in a home this past week in Norton Commons showing it to a client, and it was listed by us, but my daughter-in-law Casey was the one who had helped stage it, and I can't tell you how proud I am of her. I texted her. I said, "Did you stage this?" She said, "Well, I did work with the sellers." I said it was amazing. Even in the pantry was so magnificently staged. I just felt it was just a real win-win. So there's a lot of combination, a lot of things that happen, but I'm just telling you, it's all about a variety of things, no one thing necessarily.